In this video, we will learn how to compare two datasets in Pix4D Cloud in the 3D viewer. We will review how to use the Compare Mode tool in Pix4D Cloud Advanced. To follow along with this tutorial video, you must have access to a valid Pix4D Cloud Advanced license. The Compare mode allows you to identify what has changed between two dates in a given site by placing the corresponding reconstructions side by side. You can compare 3D outputs including the point cloud, 3D textured mesh, annotations, and DXF overlays. In this tutorial video, we will compare two point clouds from different dates using the 3D viewer and Compare Mode tool. To see how a project area has evolved over time, first, in Pix4D Cloud Advanced, open a site with at least two projects that represent the same project area at two different dates in time. In this example, we have a site that includes 10 projects. On the upper bar, next to the project timeline, click Compare. The Compare mode will then be activated. On the bottom left, use the switcher to select the desired view. We will use the 3D view for this video. The dataset selected appears as the dataset on the right side by default. Choose two datasets by selecting the dates of interest. Only days for which a dataset is present can be selected. If more datasets are available for one day, the capture time can be specified. In this example, we are working with datasets that include both 2D and 3D reconstructions. However, we could also refer to the 2D reconstructions if we wanted to. Of course, if the selected date contains only 2D outputs, the 3D view won't show any results on that date and vice versa. Next, when the two datasets to be compared are selected, both appear in the 3D view of the Compare mode. Split with a slider. Move the slider from right to left or up and down depending on the split mode. In order to compare the as-built condition results of one point in time with the conditions of another, zoom in and out and pan the image to see the reconstructions in more detail. To exit the Compare mode and return to the previous page, on the upper bar, click Exit Compare Mode. If you want to share the Compare Mode view of the site with stakeholders, click Share at the top right of the window, then copy the link and paste it somewhere to share it. Collaborators who receive that link can switch to other datasets available in the same site for further comparisons on their own. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial video. See you in the next video.